where the price is going to go, anticipate, be prepared for it. The direction is long that I'm really looking for. I just want to make sure that it provides me with the specific entry signal. And we have it. We have the roadmap telling us to go long with that green arrow printed on our charts, 45.34. So this tells me that as far as a long opportunity, it's based off the roadmap. We could have a blueprint long, we could have a trade scalper long, but right now it's just the roadmap. We have combined the methods for the best potential outcome for success on this trade. Now don't forget, if the trade does lose or doesn't go in our favor, we have that zone A down and that pivot with that long wick right here. That could be a great place for a stop, meaning you go long, you don't want the market to go beyond that point or at least cross below zone A